Very good day, I hope you're well today and welcome to another Project Exodus update. And yes, exciting times still continue to its new season, 2023 season ahead. It's going to be a good one this year, I believe. So from here, I can actually see the big screens where before you scan your tickets for the day, and they're testing the screens at the minute, where you know where you see on the screens are the promotional videos of Fright Nights, Oktoberfest, Carnival and Mardi Gras and all that. They're testing the screen out at the minute from here, which I can see. And yeah, I think they're just to make sure it's all working for this year, and it is quite clearly working because it's been looping so many times. But I really cannot wait to be in there again. So yeah, that's it for now. So should we have a look what Project Exodus looks like at the minute? I think so. So come and join me, subscribe to see all these updates, and here we go. Update number 20. See you soon. It's muddy down here today, and just want to say you can actually see this crane. It is quite clear. It's gotta be today or tomorrow now, and it's getting louder as I'm getting towards it now. And yeah, every time I've been on with these updates, they've been interesting, but this could be mega interesting today. So let's see what they're up to with that site now, just in a few moments. Yeah, it's getting noisy. Oh my word, yes, they're on it today. They're on it today. Whoa, yeah, here we go. It's coming down. It is going down. That crane is where Longsleeve is at the minute. Oh, I've got to show you this now. Look at that. That's the crane. That was the one by Nemesis Inferno yesterday, and that's the crane now. Oh wow, look at that. Let's have a look further along. But yeah, that first top bit now is gone. Look at that though. Yeah, look, this side will look better in a minute. So yeah, that was there yesterday. That was where Nemesis Inferno was by yesterday, that crane. And that's because of this. I think they're pulling up the drills of the nails from the Longsleeve nail, and they are about to, I reckon this is going to be pulled out. Yeah, it's going to get stranger now. So I reckon by tomorrow we'll be heading towards halfway point, that final lift to that. It's just bad luck today. I get to witness that coming down. Look at that. Yeah, it's a lot more activity today. That is just luck. There's a lot more work on this side as well today, so I think main work's on the main site, and of course that part over here. It's really happening. There you go. That's the first one. It's just come off. Oh my goodness. Literally, that's the first big part has now come off on its ground for the first time since before it was built. Oh my word. And the crane's moving it to its safety hazards. Just lucky to see it. Oh my word. I'm just going to go on further along. That crane is absolutely huge, to be honest. So I wonder where that's going. So obviously it has to be somewhere flat. So that is the first one from Longsleeve. Here we go. There you go, it's going to be on its flat site now. There we go. Whoa, oh my word. Oh. Yeah. Nice and safety that is. Oh my word. Thank you, good logger sleeve. Thank you. And it's on its floor. Right then. And that's it. That's on the floor now. And that is the recent lift of Logger Sleep's final lift. That's what it looks like now. Don't just need to get that off now, and then basically this will be after that. Don't think we'll see anything with that today. But yeah, we've got to see that. Here we go, they're working on the next one I think now. Quite clearly the crane's on the next one, so that can't be long then. Oh wow. So that's the craine from Nemesis and Phone yesterday I was saying, and that is something to do with this. Now it's all about getting these connected to the actual metal steel. You see those there? So this might take a while to connect, and then they might just pull it out once they get everything out of it. But look at that. Oh, it's obviously prepared to come off now. Yeah, here we go, so it's going to pull it up now. It's very cold today, I must say. Yeah. Here we go. So he's already connected, and now what is going to happen? The crane's going to be moving that all the way there. And that's all happening at the minute. So this is what they need to do afterwards, and then all this is the next thing. So yeah, here we go. Right, it's freezing today. Yeah, they can't lift it until he comes down basically. Yeah, so that's all ready now. That's obviously been sorted and prepared. Yeah, the drills, as you can tell by the other side, they are working on it now. And then once that's all sorted, you're going to hear it. There you go. All the work begins now. Yeah, so it all begins now. It's quite cold today, but they are working on the drills now on the final support of the tallest part, which was the UK's tallest back in 1989 of Logger Sleep. And we're going to see that transferred to one place to another, safe hands for any moments or so. Can't be long. Oh, you can smell that as well. That burning smell from here. It's safe though, because it's just a drill they have to try get that sorted. That sound! They're also drilling something as well. It is starting to snow, sleet they call it now. It's freezing. I was wondering why it was so cold today, and apparently it's due to be snow or sleet or something like that today. I'm not allowing that. Not like this anyway. It's 3 o'clock now, still waiting for the second one to happen. I don't know when that is actually happening, but it's got to be today. Because they've got all the chains connected. They might be on a break for now, but obviously got to finish that at some point. And that's the second one come down now. And that is the second one. And that is it. That was the last one of the highest point left remaining. And that's no longer. I've just missed how it got dragged, but I literally saw it from distance thinking, that's surely moving, and it was. And now, after how long was I waiting? 45 minutes for that. It's finally, sad to say, the highest point just there is no longer. And that is all the remaining left, is that. I think that's it for now. I don't know, is it? I don't know. Who knows? But I think that's it for now. Right, I think this massive crane, which was by Nemesis Inferno yesterday, is coming down now. And that was what it was for today. To get the supports down of the part of Logger's Leap. Quite amazing to see how it all works, because when you see it from distance it looks massive, but actually it just goes into a few different sections, as you can see there. So now it's on its final stages now, until the highest point of a roller coaster gets built, I suppose. There you go. And then that should flop down, hopefully. Not like immediately, but slowly. Oh, yes. Or is it just going to stay like that? I don't know. So from the viewing point I am at the minute, I reckon the demolishment process will be done in the next week or two. They're nearly there, because it can't be long, because they only got to get Logger's Leap final, lift hill down, get it nice and smooth, and I don't know what else they need to do, but from the viewing I can see, I think it's just the foundation process into the next phase, and then once that's all sorted, we should be seeing basic things appearing, like maintenance building and then station building, and then the exciting bit is the track. And yeah, I think the next phase will be very soon though. Quite clearly they're nearly there, but that's taken them about 2 or 3 months or 4 months at least. It's gone very quick, and yeah, I can't believe how big this site actually looks. It is just wow. From here, it's just every time I come here, this things changes every time. But yeah, within the next week, that final lift hill of Longer Sleep will be gone for sure. And that is another update for today. That was very cold update today. I don't know if that was the coldest, but it was cold enough. But yeah, you got to see the starting point of slowly getting smaller of Longer Sleep now. What a day. And I'm glad I did came back to see it. And thank you so much for the support. Be sure to like, share and tell the world Exodus has been made very fast indeed, and be sure to subscribe. We've got Thorpe Park content, we've got Jumanji opening day and annual pass day at Thorpe Park. I cannot wait to start the journey of filming again, and yeah, it's exciting times. Have a good evening, and thank you so much for your support. Take it easy now.